Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team at Keller Williams with this month's Lehigh Valley Real Estate Update. It's been a chilly start to the year, but that didn't stop the housing market from heating up. The demand continues to be strong, resulting in the average price of homes increasing by a whopping 25%, just shy of $265,000. The strong demand for homes has decreased the days on market to 22 days, down from 41. The number of closed sales increased by almost 9% to 515. The fact that the inventory of homes is so low is what's driving the increase of sales prices. The inventory of homes is down over 50% to 567 homes, which puts the month's supply of inventory to less than a month, which is also down more than 50%. The high buyer demand is good news for sellers who are receiving over asking price and receiving great terms. Unfortunately, this is making it tough for buyers, which many have to put in multiple offers on homes before getting one accepted. I anticipate the housing market will continue to stay strong throughout the spring and summer months. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime.